The Sun is the center of the solar system. It is a star like the millions of other stars in the universe. It is the offspring of an older, bigger star, which, after it blew up, left clouds of gas behind. The Sun is a nuclear furnace inside, which hydrogen atoms are turned into helium, crushed by the enormous pressures. During this nuclear reaction, vast amounts of energy are created. Only the fact that it is nearer to us than any other star, only 150 million kilometers away. In all other respects, the Sun is a very ordinary star. It is middle-sized and middle-aged, but without the Sun, the Earth would be a dark, cold, lifeless world. You should never look at the Sun directly, as its intense brightness could damage your eyes. The Sun is not solid, but a very dense mass of gas. It has an outer surface called the photosphere, a mass of hot gas radiating heat and light into space, and an inner layer known as the convection zone. And below that is the hottest part of the Sun, the center or core, where the nuclear reactions take place. Energy moves from the core, through the many layers, such as the chromosphere, a layer of gas where bursts of heat light energy called spicules flame through it, and photosphere, to reach the surface and out into space. The energy that is created inside the core takes 10 million years to pass through its many layers and reach the surface. The Sun's outer skin is the corona, a halo-like layer of boiled-off gases. Giant tongues of hot gas, known as prominence, burst out from the chromosphere. Without solar energy, the Earth would be lifeless. The photosphere or surface of the Sun is covered in dark blotches, sunspots, which are caused by changes in the Sun's magnetic field. They can be up to thousands of kilometers across. The number of sunspots we see varies from anything up to 100 over an 11-year cycle. There are sometimes storms on the Sun, which send bursts of hot gas, called solar flares, into space. They shoot out light, heat and cosmic rays far beyond the Sun's atmosphere or chromosphere, and can break up radio communications on Earth. Solar flares contain vast bursts of energy and coil out 100,000 kilometers into space. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon blocks out light from the Sun, causing a shadow to pass across the Earth. Usually, most places on the Earth see only a partial eclipse, but when the disk of the moon blots out the Sun completely, day turns to night for about 7 minutes. The Sun's corona can then be seen from Earth.